You guys, and welcome back to another Igtv tutorial. Today I used more crayon case products and I did a green and purple look. I'm still going back and forth on how it turned out. I'm sure I'm probably overthinking it, but if you would like to see how I achieved this look with the graphic liner, then definitely keep on watching. Hello you guys, so diving right in, we're gonna blend out our base to the matte book palette from the crayon case. I'm gonna be taking the purples and applying that into my crease. So just building up that dark purple color, I then go in with the dark green also from the matte book. And blend out the edges of the dark green in my crease. So this is just a trick that I always do. I've showed this like plenty of times. So if you are a Moda Mob member, then you know I'm taking my face powder and blending out the edges of my crease. I like to do this because this is how we get that seamless blend. So now I'm just diving into the box of crayons palette from the crayon case and taking the black shadow and adding that with the purple and green to add some depth and dimension. So I was gonna do this off camera, but I actually have to show this part. So I'm gonna be taking the P. Louise basic base in Hint of Mint. I got this in last week. I'm actually so glad that I got it because I've been wanting colored bases to just take some of my looks to the next level, do some like graphic liner looks and things like that. So I'm going to take the P. Louise basic base in Hint of Mint and mix it with the ABH base because I want it to be a little bit lighter. And I could mix it with the P. Louise base too because I have number 2, but I already have the ABH base open. I don't want to open up my P. Louise base just yet. I want to get through the ABH like regular base first. And yeah, so I'm just gonna take those, and the reason why I'm mixing it is because I really want it to be like a really light mint color. So I'm gonna mix the two bases together to give me that color. See, like that. And that is what I'm gonna use to cut my lid. Now that my lid is cut, I'm gonna take this green, the lightest green, and the white, and I'm gonna mix those two colors together to set the mint because I do want the base to stay as true to the color as much as possible. Actually, yeah, like that. So I'm mixing those two together. Now I'm gonna take the crayon case's Line Me liner and I'm gonna do some graphic liner. I'm literally just gonna go over where the line cuts to just even, and then do a really sickening wing liner. I'm just taking the crayon case's Line Me liquid liner, and when doing any type of graphic liner, wing liner, it's just really important for you to take your time. So I am taking my time even though this part is sped up, and just going over and creating my desired shape and filling it all in, and once I'm satisfied, moving on to the next step. I'm going to be applying my lashes, and this is from Goddess Beauty in the style Divine. And then for my lips, I go in with Bare Pencil from the crayon case, Hell City liquid lipstick, and then I top it off with Moon Jelly lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then a clear lip gloss to make it extra juicy. this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was a mixture of like talk through and voiceover, but these are the final results. Look at that glow. I love how you can see like the lip glitter in this low light. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye, loves.